Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to this video. I want to talk about in this video some very powerful stuff that will blow your mind. Okay, so Crackrevenue, you can make well over $1 million worth with adult money. Okay, Crackrevenue is the biggest CPA marketing site for adult out there. They got all these freaking offers. Okay, and it just goes on and on. I will explain that in a second here. Then we got Exoclick, and Exoclick is a very powerful way to just crush it. Okay. I don't want to show any of my campaigns or anything, and this is not my main site that I run traffic with. Okay, Traffic Junkie's the main one. This would probably be the second one, and then Plug Rush by far is one I want to master, but that's my third. Okay, so Traffic Junkie is the biggest, then Exoclick. Exoclick has more traffic, but Traffic Junkie has literally Pornhub. Okay, on theirs. This one has. I'll show you all of them real quick. So let's go to the marketplace. So if we go right here, you'll see X Videos. Okay, X Videos is the top site that they have inside their network, and it's a really good site. Okay, it's a really good site. The site literally has the most traffic, like pretty much out of all of them compared to Pornhub. I think they're equal. If you check similar web for each site, they're very big. But anyway. Exoclick has a lot of options here. So if you go right here, let's show you the opportunities you can take advantage of. So right here, you can decide right off the bat what site theme do you want: entertainment, lifestyle, adult, or anime. Okay. Next, you got the traffic type, RON. Okay, RON means run on network, run of network, or something like that. And basically, it means it's very broad. Okay, and you really do want to be more targeted than just super broad. But anyway, premium is if you're trying to sell inside members area type traffic. That's what these two kind of are. Email clicks, don't know too much about that, but you can test that if you want. I'm not very interested in it, but email clicks sounds like someone with an email list. It could do well, who knows. Pop under right here, that's pretty good. Push notifications, very good. So pop unders, if we want to just look at pop unders real quick, let's do that. Let's apply it. Okay, so pop under, you'll see all these ones are the ones with pop under. All right, and we can sort by daily impressions. If not, it's already sorted. And I can show you guys if it loads. I don't know what to. Okay. Oh, yay, one impression. Yeah, let's go, baby. Okay. Here's the thing. 9 million. I believe that's, let's see. Okay, based off what they say here in the marketplace. I think it's a total of, per day. What the hell am I thinking? Okay, per day and the daily clicks. So when you look at pop under, the clicks is the impressions, basically. Okay, so all this is people actually going to your site, and this is how much opportunity you have. Okay, and how it works is when you make a campaign on Exoclick, it's so simple. Okay, especially with anything pop under, all you need is a link. You don't need to make banners or anything like that. And I'm not saying it's the golden grail to everything, but I am saying that it is a powerful way to test. It's a powerful way to get into starting to do adult marketing, and the traffic's endless. Okay, it's 9 million just right here per day with redwap.me. Okay, redirect. And so that's like insane. Now, if we want to see the banners that are available for everything, we can do that. Especially this one right here. This banner is the most common. Okay, most people like to run with it, but you can run with anything. And especially when you are scaling a campaign, you can do every placement you can possibly think of. Okay. But anyway, guys, right here, you've got this site. Oop, don't want to see too much of stuff. Okay, these sites are massive. Per day, daily impressions. Now, these are the daily clicks you can get out of them. This one right here is for India, most likely, because .n. I'm looking for ones that are mainly United States, and that would definitely be X Videos. So, X Hamster. I mean, these ones you know for sure are for the United States. And United States has money, and you want to be promoting to people with money. You don't want to be promoting to people without money when you do paid ads, because you do want to get sales, and you do want to send quality traffic if you're doing freaking affiliate offers. So if you look over here, let's look at some offers, okay? So these offers I've promoted a lot of, and I bet everyone who's ever been on this network, which you could sign up for and get approved for instantly if you click down below in the description, you can crush it with this with these offers. But the thing is, they are very saturated at the same time. And so it's like, what are you going to do? Okay, are you going to test it, or are you just going to go find something new? Okay, so you're going to go to vertical, and you can look and you can see, oh, crypto's big. Oh, rectal dysfunction is big. And you can start looking and looking and looking. But the best way to find an offer by far is a spy tool. Okay, I have a discounted spy tool if anyone's interested in that. Like, I don't even have jerkbait. I mean, I do not promote this offer. This offer doesn't really make money. But anyway, I'm telling you guys, it's pretty crazy. What you can learn from all this. If we go over here, you can actually set up survey machines. I don't do much of that, but it is kind of cool. We can go check that out real quick. Survey machine, baby. So basically, you can make a template. Okay, a template. They've got a ton you can choose from and build. Templates for offers. Then they have the native ads generator. You can basically build your own native ads, and they also have ones for you. Live cam widget. My free cams is the biggest offer they've ever had. It's made them millions and millions and millions and millions and millions, like a lot. The dating smart link is pretty interesting. Okay, how it works is basically you just say, okay, I want just cam offers, just a global adult. Like, you could do this with pop under. So, but it's hard to be profitable with pop under doing this because they don't necessarily have the smartest link ever. Like, I've tested this a lot because I'm like, this is the easiest way I've ever thought of making money. But how you can do it is you could do totally global pop under. And I want you guys to sign up and go test this right now, okay? And if you want to sign up through my link, you'll make more money, okay? And you'll get approved. And basically, you can go to Exoclick and start running pop under ads, okay? Worldwide for the global adult smart link, okay? That's all you got to do. Boom, you got it. Now, all you guys got to do is, you could use a tracker too, and you could sell the bad traffic, the traffic that just doesn't really make you money. You can sell that, and how you sell that is you can basically go on sites like Juicy Ads and sites like Plug Rush, and you can sign up on the other end as someone selling their traffic. Not an advertiser, but you're selling your traffic, and you can set that all up. Now, I'm not saying that's the key to everything, and in fact, the cool thing about Crackrevenue is every single time someone goes through your link, they will go to an offer, but if they press back, you will actually make money from people clicking back, okay? So if they click the back button, you will make money as well. And also there are pop unders too, okay? So you're making money in multiple directions. This is why freaking Crackrevenue is so cool, okay? Now, if we go over here, let's just show you a really good niche that can make you some money doing adult marketing. Looks like they don't have any offers for it at the moment from what I'm seeing here. I was just looking at erectile dysfunction to see if there were any. But anyway, male enhancement might have some. Okay, sometimes these do good. Let's keep going and looking. Let's just do this. Let's just apply the filter. And looks like we only have 8 offers on this page, which is odd. Maybe I have some filters really weird right now. I don't know why. The filters are being weird. So, I just have top offers selected. Okay, apply filter. We got all the offers. So, that was weird for a minute there. Okay, so let's look at the EPC, guys, just because this is some fun stuff to do. So, this is the highest EPC right now. This means for everyone sending traffic across the network, this one's making $2 per click, basically, around that. And with your good marketing angles, you can make way more money back than that, okay, guys? You go straight to Exoclick and you're like, hey, I want to buy 1 million clicks per day, okay? And you are on multiple sites or something, and you're paying like a couple grand per day on ads promoting this, okay? And it looks like it's probably a good offer. Like, I haven't promoted it, I don't know. But that's the thing. There's so much opportunity out there. How does everyone sleep with all the opportunity out there in the world? It blows my mind. I mean, it's crazy. And I've had like quite a few winning campaigns, like quite a lot in my day, and I will have more to come. And I've had a lot of failures too, and that's the thing. Like, you learn from them, and you won't do them again. Okay, you know what works. You know what works. Now, I could look more in depth on this, but I'll have to blur some stuff because who knows about this site. Some of these offers, you'll have crazy stuff that you'll see. Okay, you don't want to see it. You don't want to see it, especially when you're making a tutorial like this. Okay. So I could click and see if that's a good offer, but at the end of the day, you can know a lot of times, guys, if an offer is good just by the EPC. Now, that's not everything. Look at the payout, too. These are percentage payouts. See, so you got to look at the patterns here. Like percentage payouts actually have higher EPCs because you're selling stuff. And when you're selling stuff, that's where money transfers. Money doesn't transfer from a lead necessarily. When people collect leads, these advertisers collecting leads in CPA marketing, they're banking off the fact that you're sending quality traffic that will convert on the back end. So it's always best to sell stuff. And that's what I focus on a big time in my CPA marketing other than sweepstakes. Sweepstakes, I crush it out of the park with. I'm one of the biggest affiliates out there with sweepstakes. Okay. And the key to sweepstakes is to have a lot of volume and a lot of trust. Okay. And a lot of excitingness. That makes sense. Okay. So if we go over here, let's just keep going through and see. This is one of the biggest offers in adult. Adult Friend Finder is massive. This one right here, Local Mill Selfies, been promoted like crazy, but it can work. If we go over there, F-Book, that one, it's a big offer for sure. It's one of the biggest offers out there. 2F is also a big freaking offer. And if we go back, let me show you this other one. It's huge. Okay, Cam Soda, massive offer. Okay, let me show you guys the biggest offer. I'm going to let you in on a little hint here. The biggest offer on adult right now. Okay, here it is. Boom, baby, Seaman X. Okay, I'm going to be sharing you guys some more stuff about this offer, but I've actually promoted this offer a lot. Okay, this offer crushes it right now. Okay, this offer has made me a lot of money. It's not my biggest moneymaker ever, but it is very profitable, and it is getting promoted right now in adult like crazy. And if you want to know how to do it, I will have a video about this, okay, about how to do it, okay? Seamax is one of the biggest offers, okay, right now at the moment. And it'll continue to be because it's just, the one thing I don't like about it is the price points, but the price points allow you to spend a lot on traffic because it's a high ticket payout. The payout is very high, and there's actually another network I'm on, not this one, that I'm promoting it on, and they pay 40%, okay, not 30% on that network. Okay, so it's a big deal. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I have more great videos coming to you. Learning machines. Go check out links in the description. If you guys want more value, check out links in the description. And peace out. Learning machines. Peace.